So in this class we are going to learn linear equations with two variables. Already we learned linear equation with one variable. May I know the general form for the linear equation with one variable? Ax plus c. Ax plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus c is equal to 0 means it is only one variable. Same thing, two variable means we are including ax plus by plus c. Suppose you want to consider ax plus b in the earlier, yes, that is also correct, which is equal to 0. A is a coefficient of x and b is a constant term. Here we are considering ax plus by plus c is the general form for the linear equation with two variables. Suppose we are considering two linear equation, and we are solving it. We are giving the name of the coefficients as the first one as a a1, second one as a a2, b1, b2, c1 and c2. So whenever we are comparing, always we have to follow this format. Okay, Rama? Okay. So how to solve the linear equation? We have two types of different methods. The first one is the algebraic method and second one is the graphical method. So under the algebraic method, we have three actually. One is derivative. The first one is the elimination method, then substitution method. The third one is the cross multiplication method. The cross multiplication method only they deleted. So we are learning only two methods, substitution method and the elimination method under the algebraic method. Suppose they are asking you to solve the equation algebraically, that is your wish, you can choose any method. Simply they are asking you to solve it, that is your wish, you can choose any method. But they mention the name of the method used by substitution method, used by elimination method, means you have to use only particular method. Am I clear, Dhamma? So according to the question, you are choosing which method is deleted? Cross multiplication is deleted. You should not use. If you use, they will straight away. The next one, graphical method. It is a very important and easy method. We have to show in a graph. Then we are deciding what type of graph we are using. Okay, before the graph, when you are plotting the linear polynomial in a graph, what do you get? Give big graph of a straight line. Quadratic polynomial means cubical polynomial, two parabolas, continuously two parabolas. Same thing, linear equation means always you will get the straight line. If you plot the linear equation in a graph, always you will get a straight line. Okay, Rama? So according to that, we are going to check whether they are intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. What are the three types of lines? Intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. Don't change the order, otherwise the criteria will be difficult to give you your mind. For our understanding, I am using IPC. Okay, Rama? I stands for intersecting line, P stands for parallel line and C stands for coincident line. Okay, Rama? So only by seeing the coefficient also we can say the nature of the lines. Without drawing the graph, only by seeing the nature of the coefficients we can say. Okay, Rama? First one, what I have written? A1 is a coefficient of x and A2 is also coefficient of x, but in the second equation, what is the symbol?
Not equal to.
Not equal to b1 by b2. For example, I have taken the two linear equations. So we are going to check A1. Who is the A1 here?
3.
only 3, please don't write along with the variables. Okay, Rama? A1 is 3. What about the A2, Rama? 4. And then B1? 5. B2? 2. Now I'm going to check A1 by A2. What is the A1 by A2 answer? 3 by 4. Now can you please say B1 by B2? 5 by 2. Now observe, are they equal? 3 by 4 and 5 by 2. Are they equal? Why? We don't have an equivalent fraction, no? So how do you decide?
The numerator and denominator are different.
Numerator and the denominators?
Are different.
Different. Okay. Always keep it in your mind whether it is the lowest form of the particular fraction or not. Check. 3 by 4 is the lowest form. Okay, Rama? And here also this is the lowest form. So you don't need to worry about the equivalent fractions. If it is the lowest form, check whether it is equal or not. So from this we understood 3 by 4 and one more fact is also there. 3 by 4 is a proper fraction and 5 by 2 is are they equal? So surely A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If you plot this equation in a graph, what type of lines do you get?
Intersecting.
Surely you will get the intersecting lines only. Am I clear, Rama? So what is the criteria for the first one? A1 by A2 is not equal to
B1 by
B1 by B2. Then do you want to worry about the C1 by C2? No need. Just only one checking. You are checking A1 by A2, B1 by B2. They are not equal. That's it. We are writing directly. The lines are intersecting. Suppose if you are choosing a graphical method, there also you will get intersecting lines only. Okay, Rama? Lines in this class. Let's proceed in the next class. Thank you all. Bye bye.